So I'm Lalith. The problem which we all face that it is so difficult when any disaster happens, like how severe the damage is. For example, before how it was and after how it was. Like now manually we can't go every place and research about it. So what I thought, let me build a model where I'll upload two images. One is for one is pre-damage and second is post-damage using the satellite images. After that, my model will analyze, like I have used two models. One is for localization, which will tell how severe the damage is, and second, based on the damage, it will classify based on four categories. So I'll show. So this is the in the GitHub repo, where I'll be very happy if any problem is there. You all can help me out with it. So this is the overall summary. This is the system architecture where I've used React.js, Nginx Gateway, and then Fast API, and for database SQLite. And then finally the pipeline where these are two models. So this localization model, this model is for analyzing how severe the damage is. And second one is of course the classification model, which will classify based on how much damage it is. So these are the color codings. Where green signifies no damage, and then yellow signifies minor damage, and then orange indicates major damage, and then finally completely destroyed, which is indicated using the red color. So this is the confusion matrix where I can tell that how good my model is, and I had two options. One to go for like around 20 to 30 GB, and another I had around 50 to 60 GB. So I trained my model 50 to 60 GB, which took me around 4 hours to train the model, and another 3 hours to build the classification model. I have used Kaggle for it. So these are the tech stacks, and yeah. So I'll show you. So this is my project where I've used Azure for the where I'll show. So this is the Azure portal where I have dockerized my project and then have uploaded in the container registry in Azure. After that, I've used the app services. So this is the app services where I've hosted my project in the cloud. But the problem is that Azure will give me a messy link, which is not feasible for everyone to use that. So what I used Cloudflare. So using the Cloudflare, I already own the domain lalith.live. So I've used the subdomain and I have authenticated using the TXT, and then using the CMAC, I have given the ai.lalith.live. So as you can see, so this is the domain name. So this is the overview of the website. So it will tell the statistics, and yeah, instead of going for any 360 or 420p, I have gone for the full HD, which is 1024 into 2024 resolution. So this is the overall website. I've used ONNX neural inference, technical PDF and stuff. So this is how I can show the example. So I've used unit. So what is unit? It's an architecture where it is specifically used to classify it is used to help neural networks classify the objects using for the images. So I'll show you. So when I click on this button, launch the console, I'll be redirected to this. Then I have to upload two. This is the pre and this is the post image. After that, it will be shown. Like it will analyze how much is the damage and stuff. And I can hover on it, and right side you can see minor damage and all other stats, everything for that matter. And I can also split dual, pre, post, pre. I can filter it with no damage or based on other things. Overview, no damage, minor, major and stuff. So this is my overall project. Thank you.